Okay, up.
You go inside, they don't come out.
These are my chicken now. Oh. They're all going up. Hala dyan. Where's their food?
Just hold this one, I bring the food.
Hi everyone, these are our chickens right now. There's only 3 roosters and 14 hens. But every day they give like 10 eggs, organic eggs. Thank God. Now we're gonna feed them. Good morning everyone. We're taping here live in our farm here in Shalcup in the village. Okay, come on, go. Grrr, go. Grrr, come on. Shh, go. Grrr. Go. Grrr. Come. Grrr. Come on, guys. Hold them down.
Just go there, then they will come.
I'm calling them right now. Go inside. Shh. Inside. Yeah. Go inside, guys. Okay, now eat. Okay, eat now. Okay, you too. Our only duck, we have to buy another duck so he will have a partner. That's our duck here, yes. Yeah, you see? Ever since we bought that feeds for them, they keep on giving us eggs. Thank God. The feeds here is very expensive. Like 50 kilos, like 5,000. One kavan, 5,000 rupees. But it's worth it because they can give a lot of eggs. Yeah, they're still good. Thank God. My husband just gave them the special feeds, you see? They are corns. They love corns. Wheat and bajra. Sometimes they eat some food too. Human food. But they don't generate egg. They don't give egg. Hi, Vish. Morning. So our roosters are like with red thing, big thing, right?
Yeah.
1, 2, like the crown. Before we used to have how many? 150, 160?
Yeah, 150.
150, but because of birds flu, they died. Some of them are very young. These are like the second batch, right?
Yeah.
First batch all died,
Died, yes.
including the roosters, right?
Yes.
How many hens before?
More than 100.
The hens. And roosters?
50, I think.
50?
Yes.
Did you change the water maybe?
Yeah, I changed last night. It's still clean because they drank the new water coming.
The eggs were nice. I ate one yesterday, last
Really?
night, yeah. 11:30 I was eating.
All eggs in refrigerator.